Hello guys, today I will show you how to edit navigation bar in WordPress Elementor. So first open your WordPress website. Now head over to plugins, click on add plugin. Here type in Elementor header and just install the first plugin here, Essential Add-ons of Elementor. Click on install. Now just click on find this in limit add-ons for limiter. Click on install. Now click on activate. Now head over to get started. Now here click on header and footer under the new plugin installed, Elementor header. Click on add new. Here select header. Display on entire website. Use the rule. Leave it as like that. Click on, for example, first reader and click on edit with Elementor. It will be redirected to Elementor template page to edit the navigation bar. Here, select the plus button, click here, click on this direction column. Now let's add an icon, list for example, for element. And here you have your navigation bar almost successfully configured and ready to use. If you found this card helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.